Alright, I'm ready to go. Smart FA technique.
Yeah, today is day one. We just completed a smart gulf care. How you feel today?
I'm feeling better than yesterday. It's already solved problem. And then this design is exactly what I wanted. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You happy with the design?
Yes, that's great.
Yeah. So this is the design, and we already put all the graph. We can see all the graph in the right angle, right direction, right density, and there's no bleeding, there's no swelling, and he's healing very well.
Oh, and the assistant and you were very kindness and thoughtful. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you.